we are going to open a light pad. I still have the other diamond painting over here. I got a hold of the seller. I'm waiting for them to get back to me. That usually takes a day or two because they're in China and I don't know if they have any holidays going on too. But it's only 3 bags of drills. If I have to buy another diamond painting, I probably won't be able to do it in a couple weeks. So if I buy another diamond painting, I can send it with that. Like I said, I'm not going to do this one probably for a couple months. So we'll see what they say though. If they ship it out, no problem. If they say, can you buy something else? And they're going to have to wait. Because I kind of like big for this, like I said. Thank you for sticking with me. I really appreciate it. I hope this natural light is working for everybody also. It probably is not working for me, but I hope it works for everybody else. You know, let's see. Box with my books. Very thin. This is the Keria, Keria, A4 USB umber kit with clips. I don't remember what I ordered. I was looking at a couple of them, so I don't remember which one I ordered. Let's see. There's something else in there, I think. Okay, here we go. So I have the USB. It comes with 2 clips. You can clip your diamond painting onto it. I don't know if I'll do that because this thing is so, sorry for the noise. It's so thin. It's thin, very thin. Scares me how thin it is. I never had a light pad, and I see everyone else's, but it's paper thin. Is everyone else's paper thin? I don't know. Everyone else I thought was a little thicker. At least double thickness of this, but I could be wrong. That's where it plugs in. The on and off button right there. It's very light. I'm scared I can like snap it in half. That's how thin it feels to me. Yeah, that's it. I do have a phone charger port thing here. We'll plug it in. We'll play with it. Flicker-free, super bright, eco-friendly LED. It's acrylic organic glass. You like your glass organic or full of preservatives? I don't know. The dimensions, the outside dimensions altogether is 33.5 by 23.5 centimeters. The active area, I guess the area that lights up, is 30.7 by 23.3. The thickness is 0.4 centimeters. 5 volt, the wattage is 1.8 watt. The weight is 0.55 grams. The net weight, the gross is 65 grams. In America, we do things so different. I guess we just wanted to totally be different from England, that we even did our system different with measuring. It says tips. We suggest keep the USB cable connected with the light pad. Unplug frequently will hurt the USB port. So you can unplug the other USB side from the power source. That's helpful because I've heard a lot of people complain about their USB is always loose. Other companies may also make to order according to the visitor request. Alright, that's just Please use attached USB cable connected with your power bank, cell phone, adapter, or laptop, etc. Then press the on and off to turn on this LED pad or choose brightness level. Tells you the usage of it, blah, blah, blah. Features, it comes with one cable, super bright LEDs. Lifespan is 10,000 hours. Flicker free, no radiation, better not be. Good for your eyes, especially long hours working. Thin and portable design, and it can easily adjust to brightness. Handle with care, do not use sharp metal objects. Protect working surface from scratches. Use only on a safe, stable working surface. So don't put it on your lap because it will get hot. LEDs get very hot. If you tamper with it, avoid the warranty. After use, always store it in a dry place. Yes, LED is very hot. They are little diodes on a little circuit board, and that's how the heat is produced. Because before I left the industry of selling electrical supplies, we did everything with LEDs, and they get so hot. So it probably gets hotter than a laptop on your lap. So be careful. And plus, I don't think I will want to put this on my lap. I'm afraid if I put the drills down too hard, I'll snap it. I'm already scaring myself. But I'm gonna put you guys on pause, and we're going to light this little thing up. Okay? Alright, we're gonna stick it on. I have it on the cardboard box. I did not want to put it on my bed. Ooh, I've just pressed that very light. Here we go again. Whoa, very bright. And off. All right. Let's put this diamond painting on it. See what it looks like. All right, it is now off. This is the little one I just got in. I just have to lightly tap it. Wow. Whoa. It's bright and brighter. Man, I could light up a room with this thing. And off. So. Very nice. See the symbols very clear. That is the second stage of brightness. All right, I'm going to do it one more time for the maximum brightness. Very nice. I think when I start doing unboxings to show you guys what the canvas looks like, then maybe I'll use a light pad so you guys can see how clear the symbols are. We'll see. My new little toy. But it gives you clips, like I said, and you can clip your painting on here and not have to worry about it moving around, I guess. But yeah, that's about it. I got this one from Amazon I got 5% off, and then with tax it came to $24.19. It was Prime, so that was quick for me to get it, which is awesome because I really want to get that. I keep saying 40 by 50. I'm sorry, I think it's a 60 by 40. The Hurricane one. The grateful, thankful, and blessed one. But yep, there you go. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Have a blessed week. And keep diamond painting. Bye.